Have a look at the living room. There's so much of walkable space, two sides of parallel platform. Enter, right here is your master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Godrej Emerald by Godrej Property located in Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the main gate and the actual tower. Also check out the neighborhood. This main road leads you directly to Gorbandar Road. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 6.25 acres with 7 towers, ground plus 33 floors, within configuration of 2-3 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 35 plus ultra luxurious amenities including basketball court, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Bhaindarpada, Gorbandar Road, Thane West, with upcoming metro station at a distance of just 100 meters, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 13 minutes and Western Express Highway at a distance of just 15 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 908 square feet. As we enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then comes your very spacious living room. Have a look at the living room. There's so much of walkable space in this room, not congested at all. And in the living room, you get an attached deck with this very amazing open view, mountain view. Have a look at it. Again, a very spacious deck where you can enjoy your morning tea, coffee with this amazing view of nature right in front of you. Very amazing mountain and creek view. Now let's go ahead. Moving ahead, right here is going to be your dining space. So this area is going to be a dining area where a 6 to 8 seater of dining set can easily accommodate. Now let's go. So this flat is a butterfly layout. To my right first comes your bedroom number 1. Come have a look with me. So this is your bedroom number 1. Again, a very spacious bedroom. This is going to be your wardrobe space, which is inside, so your actual bedroom space is not disturbed. And then the best part is that you get attached washroom with this room, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's go check out the other rooms. As we move ahead, right here is going to be your common washroom. Again, a very spacious common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then you get your dry space inside the washroom. So they've taken care of your washing machine space. You can see they have given fittings also. Now let's go check out the kitchen. So this is your very spacious kitchen. You get this with 2 sides of parallel platform. And then right here where your platform ends is your refrigerator space. And again, half French window with this amazing view for ventilation in the kitchen. Moving ahead, let's go check out the other room. So this is your bedroom number 2, your kids' bedroom. This is your kids' bedroom. Again, a very spacious bedroom with this wardrobe space and this nice view, half French window. Look at the amount of walkable space in this room. Now let's go check out the last bedroom, that is the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So as we enter, right here is your master bedroom. Just have a look at this room, such a spacious. There's so much of walkable space in this room, and then you get right here your attached washroom. Again, a very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And the best part is that in this video which we're showing you is the actual flat. So whatever you're seeing in the video, you're going to be getting as it is. And the best part of the master bedroom is that you get an attached deck, a private deck, a very spacious private deck. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK actual flat tour of Godrej Emerald by Godrej Property. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.